There's a lot in the news lately about DACA and traveling with advanced parole. And you may have heard of this story about this DACA recipient who essentially traveled with advanced parole and then wasn't allowed back into the country. And that's what they mean by valid documentation, was that he had a granted advanced parole document. Now, what I can conjure about this case based on different articles that I have read is that this individual actually had a removal order from 2024. And you might think, well, how can that be? He has DACA and he also has a removal order in 2024. What happened there? It's my understanding that what happened is that he was in removal proceedings back in 2014. Those proceedings were administratively closed. If you've followed me, you know in one of my recent videos I said be careful because they are recalendaring some administratively closed proceedings. Well, that is exactly what happened. His removal case was administratively closed, then it got recalendared, in other words, placed back on the active docket, and he didn't appear because he didn't know about it, and then he got a removal order. I think at least that is what happened. So, other than this case, right, I haven't heard of many other people who have DACA and advanced parole that are having issues re-entering. Clearly, if you have a removal order or if you've ever been in removal proceedings, you should make sure that that removal order is taken care of, or that, you weren't accidentally ordered removed in absentia prior to traveling. So I do think it's still probably safe to travel. Obviously, I am an attorney. I am not your attorney, so this is not specific legal advice for your case. You should get, do a consult with your attorney or an attorney if you have one, if you don't have one. However, I do think this is an anomaly because of the removal order, that is why he was not allowed back into the country.